It's cookie making time! Well, since... Are you going to change? What we're doing, guys, is we are going to cook some cookies to cheer us up. Cheer us up because we're in lockdown. We're in lockdown. We've just had some supplies delivered from family members. So here we go, very simple, guys. Self-raising flour, sugar, and all that. Right, you, that's enough. Me.
White chocolate chunks.
White chocolate chunks. So it's the real thing, and we'll actually be eating them when they're hot, won't we? How long do they go in the oven for?
Oh, 8 to 10 minutes.
8 to 10 minutes, is that all? And we're looking at about 16...
How many of these do I need?
16 cookies. 16 cookies.
Well, we need to get 100 grams of butter, Emily.
100 grams of butter, Emily. Go, go, go.
See what we think.
See if that's 100. Yeah. 86. So do you need out the baking box?
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
And some brown sugar.
And some brown sugar. Oh, perfect, Emily. Perfect dish. Right, so that goes in the microwave for a few seconds, guys. Wooden spoon. So that's just softened it up, isn't it?
So that we can cream it with the sugar.
Oh, so we're trying to make it up to 200, are we?
No. I've zeroed it again.
Zeroed it again.
Oh.
Can we?
Yay! I mean, this perfectus, Emily.
Can we get extra sugar and just dump all back in?
Right, now we need 50 grams of this. So zero the scales again.
Brown
Here she
sugar.
goes. Oh, look, she knows something's happening.
What?
Oh, you're the man, Emily, you're the man. What? That's it. Oh, yes.
Just a tiny bit of smashed butter.
No problemo.
Just like
No
smashing my
problemo.
ice cream.
So we're 16 cookies out of this, you guys. That's 15 cookies for me and 1 for Emily and David to have. Cut them up into little bits. Emily's still at it with us, guys. So Emily has almost got this thing into a paste. So here we go, 1 egg.
You need 2 eggs for an omelette.
Right, so the vanilla essence goes in next.
How much?
Half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Here she goes.
I smashed the egg.
Right, so now David has to do the trays, you
Right,
guys.
do you remember?
A bit of grease.
Like
Yes.
this, and rub it all over.
Yeah. When are we going to put flour on?
Right, once that's smooth.
Can we take this out?
No, just leave it in.
Flour now, you guys. Let's see. On it goes. And then we zero it.
Okay, that's just a lot.
Yeah, and we zero it. And how much flour do we need?
We need 200 grams of self-raising flour.
300 grams
I'll go
self-raising.
Ah,
Come on. Alright,
Go this
so.
way.
how much?
Do you want me to tip?
And David's got all that prepped and prepared. Busy eating bits of white chocolate. Chocolat blanc, as they say in France. Whoa.
Oh gosh.
Pretty thick, isn't it? Go for it, son. Use that muscles. Ice cream scoop and a spoon.
Right, so we just need to make blobs, so we want about 4.
Okay, so I get with that over this.
Scoop
These
it in.
are gonna taste like buttery.
Ice cream
I see
scoop.
a chunk of chocolate.
You just stick it on there.
So these things flatten out by themselves, apparently, guys.
It's hot in there.
It is, should be. Oh, look at that butter melted already, man alive. And who gets to lick the bowls? Check out how big these things are getting. Right, guys, so that's them. I mean, this is like just out, and now they're dropping. Hopefully you'll see them as they're cooling.
See the white chocolate bits in there?
That's them starting to crinkle up and harden a little bit, but we want to eat them hot, don't we, guys? Hot, 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 all of them. Yum, yum, yum.
These 4 are mine and Emily's.
Right, okay.
We need 5.
Yeah, so hopefully you can see, guys, look, they're not fully sunk down, but these ones now are. Look, that's just a few minutes. You just have to wait. It's not easy being patient when you've got this kind of smell going on. Oh yeah. And, oh yeah.